Hello and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. I'm Rajni Bharara, and today we have some great news for Indian international students who are victims of an OPT fraud in the United States. Many of these students faced serious immigration consequences through no fault of their own. But now, thanks to a recent court agreement, they have regained the opportunity to live and work in the US. Let's dive right in and discuss the details. Optional practical training. OPT allows international students to gain valuable work experience in the US for up to 3 years after graduating. For the first year, all students are eligible. STEM students can then apply for a 24-month extension. OPT is a crucial program that allows international students, especially those from India, to put their US education to practical use and launch their careers. The Open Doors report states that for 2022 to 2023, India sent the highest number of international students to the US at over 200,000. Many of these students participate in OPT. However, a group of international students, many from India, were victims of an OPT fraud committed by their former employer company. The company misused the OPT program and exploited these students. As a result, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, imposed severe sanctions on these students, including denying them re-entry to the US and making them ineligible for visas. This was a devastating situation for these students. Through no fault of their own, they faced serious immigration consequences that threatened to derail their careers and lives in the US. Many had invested significant time and money into their US education with goal of gaining work experience through OPT. But now, thanks to a recent court agreement, there is hope for these students. As attorney Jesse Bless explains, DHS confirmed all the plaintiffs, former students undergoing OPT training and swindled by their OPT employer company, are not inadmissible to the US or ineligible for a visa simply because they worked for a fraudulent OPT company. In other words, the sanctions have been lifted. These students can now re-enter the US and apply for visas without being penalized for the fraudulent actions of their former employer. Over 90 foreign nationals, many of them Indian students, have had these sanctions lifted. This is a significant victory for the many Indian students who were wrongfully caught up in the OPT fraud. They can now move forward with their careers and lives in the US. If you or someone you know was affected by this issue, I encourage you to reach out to an immigration attorney to understand your options and take advantage of this opportunity. The OPT program is vital for international students, especially those from India who make up the largest group. While this fraud was a setback, these students have shown resilience and determination. With this court agreement, they can now focus on their careers and continue contributing to the US economy and society. Thank you for joining me today on Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Stay tuned for more updates on issues affecting international students and workers in the US. Until next time, wishing you all the very best in immigration and your career journeys. I'm Rajni Bharara signing off. Don't forget to subscribe to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Bye.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.